Hello and welcome, guys. Welcome once again to Break the Walls. My name is Victor and I'm an analyst at Break the Walls BTW. Alright, I've got an update for us on a wait list for a testnet. Okay, this is the T protocol. The T protocol. And over here, on the website of the T protocols, and here at the website you can find a couple of interesting informations that should tell us about the the level of validity and possibly profitability that can come with this project called T protocol. So first you see on the website it's called t.xyz. You can find the link to this website on the comment section, as well as every other pages that I will be navigating through, in order to explain clearly to us some aspect of the T protocol. So you can find those links in the comment section. Okay, so quickly let's hop into what we can find on this website. Looks nice. Well, beyond how pretty it is, let's go to the meat of it. So first you observe what is written here from the creator of Homebrew. So if you are a Mac user, a MacBook or Mac OS user, you would be very familiar with the Homebrew, because the Homebrew is uh, the package installer or the package manager sort of for the Mac OS. So this is a reputable um, you know a brand name here called Homebrew, and from what we can see, the T protocol is being developed by the same creators of the Homebrew. So that shows some level of credibility on this project. Okay, and particularly, I my interest is um, lifted very high by seeing that, wow, the creators of Homebrew are looking into blockchain and they've come up with the T protocol. Wow, that looks very nice, and that's why I quickly hopped into enlisting for the early testnet that is coming up on February 21st, I think. So we'll check that up. So when you look at it, you see from the creators of Homebrew, what is the T protocol about? What is this project about? Okay, so you can see get rewards for your open source contribution. Okay, so you see enhance the security of the software supply chain, support the most important OSS project, and rewards get recognition. Okay, so I think this project is majorly and heavily focused on developers. Okay, Homebrew, from their records with the Mac OS, uh, you know, uh, will find you typing couple of commands on your terminal or your command prompt in order to install softwares. And also, when it comes to uninstalling softwares from your Mac OS, Homebrew has been very perfect in doing that. So if you don't know what Homebrew is, let me quickly show you. So when you go on, let's search. Okay, so when you search here for Homebrew, you should see this come up. So Homebrew, my internet is a little bit slow, so we'll check that out back. So when you check up on Homebrew, you would see or find what I'm trying to explain about them. So that's a big brand name there. That's a big brand name there. So that's a very positive credibility for this latest announcement on the T protocol. Okay, so you can go through this website to gain much more understanding about it. So let's see, T Homebrew packages, you see, NPM. All right, and we have all of this. Okay, I think we're good now. Okay, so you can see Homebrew is a free and open source software package management system that simplifies the installation of software on Apple's operating system, Mac OS, as well as Linux. The name is intended to suggest the idea of building software on the Mac depending on the user's taste. Okay, so uh, 2009, 14 years ago, very, 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 very big time germ as far as the Mac OS and Linux is concerned, big time germ. Okay, so personally, I've been making use of the Homebrew command line interface, and it's been great. Okay, so this is Homebrew here, the missing package manager for Mac OS, and it's been awesome. You could check up YouTube, and you're going to find out that a whole lot of installation process on Mac OS and on Linux practically being done through Homebrew. It's so easy. So the adoption of Homebrew is very massive, very massive. Okay, that's for the cred. Hopping back to the business of the day, which is the T protocol, right? So we've confirmed, we've seen they are being created by the creators of Homebrew, and going through this page, you'll find everything you need to know about this project. Okay, so I think they will be working on proof of contribution. Okay, so let's go down to the stake tokens. Okay, let's go down to the bottom. I think there are some facts. All right, so there's some facts. What is T? Okay, so T is a decentralized protocol secured by reputation and incentives. T enhances the sustainability and integrity of the software supply chain by allowing open source developers to capture the value they create in a truthless, in a trustless manner. So I think the T protocol is sort of coming up to incentivize open source software creation. Okay, I think over the past, when we find open source software creation, personally, I've always wondered, apart from the community value, what else do developers that create open source projects, what else do they benefit apart from the community value, that they get to grow? But here is how we could tie blockchain and tokenomics to open source software development effort. And kudos to the T protocol of having this initiative to take up this step. And for me personally, I think this project will be big because when you see blockchain projects that are targeted towards developers, when the adoption by developers becomes massive, it tends to give such project. It tends to give them really good value. You could see project like Celestia that's so developer focused, and you could see what's happening with Celestia and how much it is moving up compared to Osmosis. I think some of those dApps that are for decentralized perpetual trading, the way Celestia has moved is mind blowing, and it's because of this value of modularity that they bring to blockchain developers. Okay, and I'm so bullish sort of on projects that developers will really embrace. Okay, and although we're going to see what T will be all about when they come up. So they are working on proof of contribution. So it's the first time I'm hearing this statement. Anyways, let's see what they have on that. Proof of contribution is the novel consensus mechanism of the T protocol. It's designed to quantify the impact of all OSS, that's open source software projects, in the software ecosystem. The proof of contribution assigns a dynamic score, referred to as project T rank, based on each open source project's orientation within and utilization by the OSS ecosystem over time. So, um, based on contribution and utilization of this open source project, uh, a ranking system sort of is being attributed to those projects. So I know if you're not a developer, how this might not look too, important for you to listen to. So I will keep that brief at that point. So something else we could check up is if you come over here, we could read some things about the tokenomics of the T protocol. Okay, you can find this link also in the comment section. You read up on their tokenomics and what plan they have. So we can see here the amount of T tokens in circulation will never exceed 10 billion. Okay, maximum token supply 10 billion. Wow. Okay, this looks it looks something like this the meme categories of blockchain token and blockchain sectors, right? So well, when it comes up, let's see and let's know how much of these they are willing to drop to partakers and participators of the testnet. Let's know how much of this it's free money, and if it comes, wow, that will be really, really exciting. Yeah, if it comes, that will be really, really exciting. Okay, so let's look at the roadmap next. You could see the roadmap. OSS history in the making. Okay, you could read that up. So February 2024, we're expecting the incentivized T testnet launch version 1. So we're about 25 days countdown to the testnet. Okay, so the testnet, the T incentivized testnet launches on February 21 or 21st, 2024. Participants in T's testnet, participate in T's testnet to improve the protocol and web app ahead of T's main launch. Wow, okay. To enable anyone's simulate tokens event using the T token, provide users with many opportunity to earn points. Alright, this is beautiful. So by June 2024, we're expecting the mainnet version 1 to get launched. Okay, so you know what to do, guys. Save the date, February 21st, 2024, save the date. Okay, you could follow them on their social media pages or social media handles and turn on the notification bell so you are aware. Okay, but nevertheless, you could stay tuned on Break the Walls as well. Like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and you will be getting notified with any recent development on this project as well as every other project we share on the platform, the YouTube platform, Break the Walls. Okay, so we're expecting the mainnet to be launched by June 2024. Okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So you go through this airdrops. This is what we are concerned about, right? The airdrops. And how do we get it? How do we make it big with a airdrop? Okay, so the T protocol will reward the most active participants with airdrops. Airdrops will be allocated to projects who registered early Okay, this is talking about developers. So when you go to the page where you enlist for the airdrop, you'll find out that uh, you will be asked if you're a developer or not. So I think there are two segments to this, one for developers and one for just users that will be coming to test uh, uh, the test net and make use of some functions of the test net. So there are two categories to this. All right, so you say airdrop will be allocated to projects who registered early, developers who register multiple projects with a qualifying T rank, individuals who interact frequently with the protocol, whether to stake, or claim rewards, and developers who post multiple valid vulnerability reports across multiple projects. So um, this is how the airdrop will be distributed. So get ready to give a whole lot of engagement to this as soon as the testnet goes live. Will it be a free testnet where we are giving the faucet? I don't know yet, but I believe we will find out when that time comes. But I'm not expecting it to be too expensive, right? And by the way, the T protocol is built on ERC 20, which is the Ethereum network. Okay, so let's watch how this turns up. Maybe they could have built on Cosmos. I don't know, but Cosmos has a fairly cheap gas fee just in case it requires spending of some, spending of some gas fee. But nevertheless, less. I believe it wouldn't be too much for us. Okay. All right. So the tea is always brewing. Yeah, that is to rep the brand name Homebrew. Okay, so if you're looking for their handles, I think you can find them here. The Discord, the YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Telegram. Okay, you can find all of it there. All right, so next, we want to look at, let's just hop into this link here, get early rewards. So this is how you enlist yourself for the to be notified and to be enlisted for the testnet to happen in February. So click the button and it should take you to the page where you get to subscribe for this notification. Yeah, beautiful. This is it. Okay, so what we see here, the early bird gets to earn. The early bird gets to earn. So are you excited about T and ready to get started? Participate in T's incentivized testnet to earn non-transferable points for testing and growing the protocol. So endpoint for registering your OSS project, endpoint for staking testnet T tokens to a registered project, endpoint for introducing T to other OSS developers and protocol participants. Okay, so I think this is an idea of what the testnet will be like. If you're a developer, you're bringing on project on the system. If you're an individual, just a normal user, okay, you want to be staking this testnet T tokens to projects that are on the platform, right? And then the referral aspect of testnet. So I think this could be the three areas where the testnet will cover. I'm expecting this to be a big one. Um, with what the Homebrew brand has been known for, uh, I could just give the benefit of the doubt that this will be something very um, lucrative, right? Okay, so and more. So point can be earned by completing other quests during the T-testnet phase. Join the waitlist to learn more. So if you want to join the waitlist, you can just come here, put in your mail, right? And then you're prompted with this question: are you a developer? If you're a developer, you say yes. But if you're not, you say no. Okay. Basically, personally, I'm a developer, right? I'm a data engineer, so turning the yes button up, beautiful one. So you could click on the capture and do some of the normal things you do on the capture and then submit. This is how you get enlisted for the T protocols testnet coming up February 21st. Okay, so I don't want the people of this community to miss out of this. Okay, because at Break the Wall, we wanted to make it big through uh, blockchain and the value that blockchain brings. All right, so be early to this one, be early to this one, be early to this one, and do like the channel if you haven't. Subscribe to get notified of updates concerning development on this project, and even to get more updates on airdrops that will be coming around. Okay, so let me know how you feel about this on the comment section. I would really want to know your view about the T protocol and Homebrew as a brand, what you think about it. Okay, so lastly, if we look them up on Twitter, you could see this. So far, they have about 31,000 followers. So, guys, we are super early. For a project like this, 31,000 followers, well, I could say we're super early, right? Wow. This is Ron from Boss Mining. Shout out to Ron from Boss Mining. What's up, bro? So, we look at this. Okay, so I think by January 22nd, they tweeted about this. So we've been blown away by all the people who are excited about our incentivized testnet. This makes us happy to announce that T's incentivized testnet will go live on Wednesday, February 21st and end on Wednesday, May 15th. Not a dev, no problem. There will be a challenge and quest. Alright, so that's it. So it's official. I think this is their official page. Yes, of course it is. So this is official, guys. This is official. So don't miss out of this. Slot in your um, slot in your email to this. If you're a developer, turn it on. If you're not, turn it off and do the recapture and then submit to get notified when this testnet goes live. You don't want to be late on this. So excited about this one, and I hope you are as well. So thank you very much for watching. I do look forward to seeing you in the next video. There's still more updates on airdrops coming up. I think the Mertis network uh, airdrop is something we are bringing up next on Break the Walls, and there are still a couple of beautiful opportunities on airdrops that will be coming up. So do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification button so you get notified when a new alpha drops. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day. Break the walls, make it big for yourself.